Welcome back. Today, we have a beautiful story. Meet Sarah. Sarah is 24 years old. Today, she is very excited. She is at a big luxury hotel in Paris. She wants to holiday here for 3 days. Sarah walks to the reception desk. The receptionist is a kind man. Sarah smiles and says, "Hello, my name is Sarah Miller. I have a reservation." The man checks his computer. "Hello, Miss Miller." "Yes, room number 305. Here is your key." Sarah takes the key. "Thank you. Where's the elevator?" she asks. The man points to the left. "The elevator is over there. Have a nice stay." Sarah goes to the 3rd floor. She finds room 305. She opens the door and enters. The room is big and beautiful. It has a large bed, a white sofa, and a big window with a city view. Suddenly, Sarah hears a sound. Meow! Sarah is surprised. She looks under the bed. No cat. She looks near the window. No cat. Then she opens the wardrobe. Wow! There is a small gray cat inside the wardrobe. The cat has green eyes. It looks scared. Sarah says gently, "Oh, hello, little cat. Why are you here? Are you lost?" The cat walks to Sarah and rubs its head against her hand. Sarah laughs. "You are very sweet," she says. Sarah calls the reception desk. "Hello," she says. "There is a cat in my room." The receptionist is shocked. "A cat? Oh, one moment, please." After 5 minutes, a woman runs to Sarah's room. She is the hotel manager. She looks very worried. "Oh, my cat," the manager cries. She takes the gray cat in her arms. "Thank you, Sarah. This is Lily. She escaped from my office this morning. I looked everywhere for her." Sarah smiles. "You are welcome. I am happy Lily is safe." The manager says, "Thank you for your kindness, Sarah. Tonight, your dinner at the hotel restaurant is totally free." Now, Sarah is very happy. She has a beautiful room, a free dinner, and a new animal friend in Paris. It is 8 o'clock in the evening. Sarah wears a beautiful blue dress. She goes downstairs to the hotel restaurant. The restaurant is very elegant. There are candles on the tables and soft piano music is playing. A friendly waiter walks to Sarah. "Good evening, miss. Welcome. A table for one?" he asks. Sarah smiles. "Good evening. Yes, please. My name is Sarah Miller. The manager invited me." The waiter's eyes open wide. "Ah, yes, Miss Miller, the hero who found Lily. Please follow me. We have the best table for you." He takes Sarah to a beautiful table near the window. Sarah can see the Eiffel Tower from here. It has bright, shining lights. The waiter gives Sarah the menu. "Tonight, everything is free for you. What do you want to eat?" Sarah looks at the options. "I want a green salad and chicken with vegetables, please," she says. "And for drink?" the waiter asks. "Just water with lemon, thank you," Sarah answers. While Sarah waits for her food, a young man sits at the next table. He looks at Sarah and says, "Excuse me, hello. Your dress is very beautiful." Sarah blushes but feels happy. "Thank you so much," she says. The man says, "My name is Lucas. I am from Canada. Are you on holiday here?" Sarah answers confidently, "Yes, I am, Sarah. I am on holiday for 3 days. Paris is a magical city." Lucas smiles. "Yes, it is. It is nice to meet you, Sarah." "Nice to meet you too, Lucas," Sarah says. Sarah eats her delicious dinner and talks with Lucas. They share stories about travel and hobbies. Sarah is very proud of herself. In one day, she solved a problem, helped a cute animal, and made a new friend. She spoke English easily and without fear. Now it is your turn. Answer this question in the comments. Do you like hotels or camping? Write your answer in English. Practice makes perfect. See you in the next story. Goodbye.